Para kaming tumama sa loto dahil sa revelation mo, anak! You and Linda both run away and abandoned both your rich lives, but still, you found and met each other and end up together. Destiny did a great job for you and Linda. Praise the Lord!
Mom, Dad, I need to go. I need to check if my wife and son are okay. And nun din ang dalawa ko pang anak. Sumaglit lang talaga ako dito para makita kayo at maayos ang hindi nating pagkakaintindihan noon.
Can we go too, Jacob?
Of course, you can come with me, Mom and Dad. And dun din ang kapatid at daddy ni Linda, so for sure, madami kayong pag-uusapan for old time's sake.
Great! We'll bring some clothes for your kids para may pamalit sila habang nasa ospital kayo. Naitabi ko pa ang mga damit mo nung bata ka, Jacob.
Ikaw din, anak. Pwede ka mag-ayos ng sarili mo dito. Your room is untouched from the day you left, so andun pa lahat ng mga damit mo.
Thank you, Mom and Dad.
Let's go, Jacob. Gagabihin na tayo masyado niyan.
Dad, from now on, kailangan may maiiwang bantay kay ate dito. Hindi ako palagay sa nangyari sa kanya.
I'm not convinced that her body reacted to the dextrose alone. What are you talking about, Anak? Are you saying that someone is trying to hurt Linda and her baby?
I'm not yet sure about it, Dad. But let's be more careful and vigilant. The Lord is really with us dahil safe si ate at ang bata sa sinapupunan niya.
I agree with you, anak.
Kukunin ko muna sila Isagani at Kikoy, Dad, para may kasama kayo dito. I'll go check the status of Kulas too. If he's stable, ibabalik ko siya sa private ward. Okay, anak, I will wait for you and the kids.
I can't wait to see our grandchildren, anak. By the way, what's the name of the doctor na nag-handle kay Linda? Baka kilala ko ang OB niya.
Her OB is Gianna, Mom.
You mean your ex?
Walang dapat makaalam, kahit si Jacob. Gagawin ko ang lahat, maging aking ka lang ulit, Jacob.